Alright, well we just finished steeping our specialty grains here for our IPA. About to add the first 2 ounces of hops. This is going to be, I believe I'm doing Warrior for the bittering hop. Should be a good bittering. I think it's around 13% alpha acidity. We've got our wort starting to boil here. Let's go ahead and add our first round of hops. Okay, here we go. 2 ounces of Warrior going into the boil. Make sure that doesn't boil over. Oh, look at that. That is a beautiful wort right there. I think these Warrior hops are going to give it some good bitter flavor. Our specialty grains were a 3/4 of a pound of the Briess Crystal 40 and Victory specialty malt. We did a regular Briess 2-row base on our malt. We're doing partial boil, 3 gallons at a time. Got 2 more gallons in my carboy over there. Alright, so we're just about to add some more hops here to our boil. We're at about 15 minutes. We added Warrior hops at the 60-minute mark. We're about to add some Citra with a little mix of Falconer's Flight, which is kind of how I wanted to create this IPA around. And we'll be adding that here in about 1 minute. My inspiration today was the Yule Smith by AleSmith, their holiday ale. It's their Summer Imperial IPA. Delicious. I got real lucky today. Stopped at the Whole Foods in Porter Ranch on my way home from the brew shop to pick up some product, and they had 2 left, which my Whole Foods in Santa Clarita has been sold out for probably 3 months. Real lucky. It was a good day. So here we go. We're going to add our Citra with a little Falconer's Flight mixed in at the 45-minute mark. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. So this is a little different than the last IPA I made. Last IPA I used similar hops. Turned out pretty decent. It just was super hoppy, super dry finish, and didn't have a lot of malt to hang on to at the end. So this time I used a little bit more of the specialty grains to hopefully give it a little something to hold on to at the end. We'll see what happens here. Alright, and here we are about to add our Falconer's Flight. It's about 2 ounces of Falconer's Flight hops. We're at about 30 minutes into our boil here. We'll have 1 more hop addition before the boil ends, and then we'll go outside and chill the wort. Alright, so I'm about to add my last addition of hops to my boil. I'm saving just a little bit in that little cup there for some better aromaing. I think that's how you say it. But this is going to be our Liberty hops right there. It's about a ½ ounce. Minus a little bit saved to, I'm going to probably mix with maybe a little Citra or Falconer's right at the last minute of the boil. Hopefully it'll add a little added aroma to it. Yeah, but our boil's going good. It's been boiling for about 45 minutes now. And then we'll take her out and chill her down and do our reading and see what our original gravity will be. Hopefully I'll have a pretty decent alcohol by volume out of this. Hoping to score around a 6.8 to 7.2%. That's my goal. We'll see what happens. Alright, so I've got the wort chiller, the immersion chiller, chilling my wort. I think we're down to about 100 degrees. Been doing it for about 10 minutes. Just about to add the yeast and pitch the yeast and add it to the brew. And for this beer, we're going to be using Safe Ales 04. It's their dry ale yeast. Hopefully, they'll give it a good dry finish to it. We'll see what happens as the beer progresses. Alright, so I pitched my yeast. Hopefully we'll get a good... Got an ant on there. I don't know why that's... how that guy got on there. Hopefully we'll have a really good fermentation maybe this evening or tomorrow morning. I'll let you know.